Airports, those bustling hubs of travel, dreams, and sometimes utter chaos. Overpriced snacks that seem to cost more than your plane ticket, the seemingly perpetual shortage of luggage carts just when you need one the most, and those endless, often unintelligible announcements echoing through the terminal. But what if all that seemingly random chaos is actually a carefully designed system, a subtle orchestration to influence and even control your every move? A system designed to maximize profits and minimize your comfort? Today, we're pulling back the curtain and exposing the 13 biggest secrets, the hidden strategies that airports and airlines desperately don't want you to know. These are the things they hope you never discover. From the sneaky psychology embedded in the carpet beneath your feet, to the mysterious way your carefully selected seat can vanish into thin air in a matter of seconds, these are the subtle tricks and not-so-subtle schemes that cost you valuable time, hard-earned money, and precious sanity. You absolutely cannot afford to miss number 13. It will fundamentally change the way you perceive airports, forever altering your travel experience. By the time we're done, you'll be navigating those sprawling terminals like a seasoned pro, effortlessly save money, and skillfully dodge every single trap they set for unsuspecting travelers. So, are you ready to see what's really happening behind the curtain? Let's break down each and every secret one by one and transform you into an ultimate airport master. Let's go. Ever notice how the bathroom nearest your gate, the one you're practically sprinting to right before boarding, is almost always a complete and utter disaster? It's like a scene from a movie, but not in a good way. It's definitely not the whole airport that's like this. It's just that specific location, and it's because everyone, and I mean flocks there for one last pit stop before boarding their flight. It's a pre-flight ritual. Cleaning crews, bless their hearts, simply can't keep up with the sheer volume of traffic, so it's almost always a mess. A chaotic, unpleasant mess. The secret to avoiding this? The cleanest, most serene bathrooms are often hidden away, just a little distance from the bustling gates. Walk a little further. Explore. Try bathrooms near less busy gates, the ones where there isn't a flight boarding in the next hour. The main terminal, where people are milling around and not rushing to a specific destination, or even near baggage claim, where people are just arriving and haven't yet contributed to the chaos. Those are almost always spotless, sparkling, and blissfully empty. It might feel counterintuitive to walk from your gate when you're already cutting it close, but a quick 2-minute walk can mean the difference between a stressful experience and a peaceful, clean moment of zen. Don't settle for the war zone bathroom right next to your gate. Find those hidden gems, those oases of cleanliness, and travel like a VIP, even if you're in economy. Small change in your routine, huge difference in your travel experience. You're better than that crowded, messy bathroom. Treat yourself. Notice how airports switch from hard tile to soft carpet after security? That's not for your comfort. It's a psychological trick. Hard floors keep you moving, but carpet relaxes you, making you more likely to browse and spend. Airport designers use this to lower your guard and open your wallet. Relaxed passengers spend up to 10% more. Next time you step onto that plush carpet, remember, it's a spending trap, not a luxury. Don't let the comfy floors fool you. Recognize the trick, keep your money and move on. The carpet is their tool, not your friend. Stay sharp, don't fall for it. Leaving old barcode stickers on your suitcase is a recipe for disaster. Automated scanners can pick up the wrong code, sending your bag to the wrong city or country. Baggage handlers say it happens all the time. Before you leave home, check your bag for old tags and remove every single one. Only the current flight's barcode should be visible. It's a 10-second check that can save you days of lost luggage headaches. Don't risk your vacation over a forgotten sticker. Inspect, remove, and travel worry-free. Simple but crucial. Think your locked suitcase is safe? Think again. Most zippers can be popped open with just a ballpoint pen. No need for the combination. A thief pushes the pen into the zipper, separates the teeth and slides it open, all while your lock stays in place. They can take what they want and reseal the bag so you never know. Protect yourself. Avoid cheap zippers. Look for anti-puncture designs or go zipperless with latch closure suitcases. It's a small investment for real security. Don't let a pen ruin your trip. Upgrade your luggage and keep your valuables safe. Stay one step ahead. Travel smart. Your clothes can get you flagged at security. Metal-heavy outfits, cargo pants with extra pockets, and baggy clothes all slow down screening and draw TSA attention. Even too many bobby pins can set off alarms. The best move? Dress simple and streamlined. athletic wear, slip-on shoes, and minimal accessories. Put belts and jewelry in your bag until after security. The less remarkable you look, the faster you'll get through. Don't let your outfit cause delays. Dress for security success. Get through fast. Gate info coming soon isn't just a tech glitch. It's a tactic. Airlines often know your gate but keep it secret to keep you in the main terminal, surrounded by shops and restaurants. The longer you wander, the more you spend. Don't fall for it. Check your airline's app. Gate info often appears there first, or ask at the customer service desk. Staff usually know before it's public. Get your info, head to your gate, and avoid the spending trap. Don't be a captive customer. Be proactive, save money and stress. Knowledge is power. Move smart. Ever notice, when you're anxiously awaiting a flight, how flight delays seem to come in these tiny, almost insignificant increments? It's like watching a clock tick slower and slower. Airlines, with all their sophisticated systems, often know about the potential for long delays much earlier than they let on. But instead of revealing the full extent of the problem, they reveal these delays bit by bit, a little at a time. This drip feeding of information is designed to keep you hopeful that your flight will still leave soon, and, perhaps more importantly, to keep you spending money at the airport. Because if they told you the real delay up front, the full, unvarnished truth, you'd likely demand compensation for your wasted time, or insist on being rebooked on a different flight that gets you to your destination sooner. Drip feeding keeps you conveniently located at the gate, buying overpriced snacks and coffee to pass the time. So, don't trust the first delay notice you see. Instead, use flight tracking apps on your smartphone to get a more accurate picture of where your plane really is and what's causing the holdup. If it hasn't even left its last city, you've got plenty of time to grab a proper meal or find a more comfortable place to wait. Don't let them play with your patience and your wallet. Stay informed with real-time data, make smart choices based on facts, and don't get stuck spending money unnecessarily. Always expect a longer delay than what they initially admit to. Take control of your wait by being proactive and informed. Stay ahead of the game and travel smarter. Thirsty after security? Don't pay $7 for water. Airports are required to provide free water bottle filling stations, but they hide them. Look for them near bathrooms, down hallways, or check the airport map. Bring an empty bottle and fill up for free. Don't let them trick you into buying overpriced drinks. Ask staff if you can't find the station. A quick search saves you money every trip. Stay hydrated, not hustled. Free water is there, just hidden. Find it and win. Public USB charging stations can be a hacker's playground. Plugging in could expose your phone to malware or data theft. Juice jacking. Always use your own power adapter and a wall outlet. If you must use a USB port, get a USB data blocker to prevent data transfer. They're cheap, small, and could save your digital life. Don't risk your info for a quick charge. Protect your devices. Charge safe, not sorry. Stay secure. The carry-on sizer at the gate is a trap. Unless you're 100% sure your bag fits, don't test it. Sizers are often smaller than the actual overhead bins, and gate agents are watching. If your bag gets stuck, you'll pay the highest fee to check it, plus possible extra charges. Know your airline's dimensions and measure your bag at home. If in doubt, avoid the sizer and walk confidently to the plane. Most bags fit if you get them to the bin. The sizer is for revenue, not guidance. Don't fall for it. Pack smart, skip the sizer, save money. Missed connections can cost you your seat even if you're just seconds away. Airlines use automated systems to reassign seats if they think you'll miss your flight. Your seat can be given to a standby passenger while you're sprinting to the gate. If this happens, don't give up. The airline must rebook you for free and may owe you compensation. Go straight to customer service and know your rights. Don't let them leave you stranded. Be assertive, get rebooked, and ask for vouchers if you're delayed. Profit shouldn't come before people. Stand your ground. In-flight USB ports aren't always safe. They're connected to entertainment systems used by thousands and can be vulnerable to malware. Plugging in could expose your phone to security risks. Bring a portable battery pack for your own power. If you must use the seatback port, use a USB data blocker or power-only cable. Don't risk your data at 30,000 feet. Stay independent, stay secure. Your phone is your life. Protect it. Charge smart, not risky. Fly safe. Airports hide their quietest spots. On purpose. They want you in noisy, crowded areas where you'll spend money. But most airports have hidden quiet zones, chapels, or yoga rooms. These are rarely marked and tucked away in obscure corners. Check the airport's website or app for maps and search for quiet zone or meditation room. Screenshot the location before you go. Skip the chaos and find your own sanctuary. A little research transforms your travel experience. They want you stressed, but now you know better. Find peace before your flight. 13 secrets revealed. Now you're an airport master. From clean bathrooms to protecting your data, you're ready to beat the system. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments. The best travel hacks come from this community. Let's help each other out. Want to upgrade your travel life? Watch the next video for pro-level tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the skies. Safe travels.